We stayed at Legoland Beach Retreat. I'll give you a room tour and talk about the complimentary breakfast that's included. The room sleeps 5. The first room has a king-size bed. There are also 2 open closets to hang your items. The room comes with a TV, coffee maker, and mini fridge. They also gave us bottled water and apple juice for the kids. That was a very nice and unexpected touch. The room also has a safe and drawers for your clothes. The other closet has an ironing board and an iron. The bunk beds are sectioned off with a curtain. The room has a Lego Beach theme. The kids' room also has a bucket of Legos for the kids to play with. Below the bunk beds is a trundle bed for another kid to sleep. Also, the beds had a minifigure on them for the kids to keep and a cute little note that reads, "I declare this room is sea monster free." The note is perfect for the beach theme. Here's the bathroom. It has a hair dryer and comes with Lego themed soap. The shower has little bottles of shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and a bar of soap. The tub looks nice and clean with tiles in those classic Lego colors. One thing that's awesome about Legoland hotel rooms is that the toilet seat can be changed for little ones. Outside the bungalow is a cute little patio to rest and watch while the kids play at the playground. In the morning, make sure to check for your very own copy of the Legoland Times. The Legoland Beach Retreat is located across the street from Legoland, so it's not as close as the Legoland Hotel, which is right next to the Legoland theme park. They have a shuttle that will take you to the theme park. The pickup location is located at the entrance to the resort. Here are the times. The shuttle will drop off guests at the Legoland parking area by the Peppa Pig theme park. The restaurant at the beach retreat is called Sandy's Castle. When you stay here, you get complimentary breakfast. We waited about 50 minutes to be seated. It can get busy and sometimes you might have to wait for a table to open up. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Also, if you want to eat in your room, you can take it to go. They serve breakfast as family style, which means they bring it to you. It's like a buffet, except you don't get up and get the food. They bring it, and if you want more, you can request for more. It comes with French toast sticks, bacon, sausage, scrambled eggs, biscuits and gravy, potatoes, and fruit. Along with that, our server asked if we wanted yogurt, and my kids love yogurt, so he brought us some. My son saw pancakes on the table next to us, and he wanted some, so I asked, and they make gluten-free pancakes for those that can't have gluten, but he was willing to make a few for Ezra. The breakfast was more than enough for our kids. It was a great breakfast, and I really enjoyed those French toast sticks. I'm glad fruit came with it because my kids really do enjoy fruit. They also have lunch and dinner, although not complimentary. We ate dinner at Sandy's Castle, and it was very good. The kids ordered a cheeseburger, chicken fingers, and a quesadilla. Each kid's meal came with a drink, fruit cup, and fries. The cheeseburger was so cute. The bun has a Lego on it. I ate the Captain Cuban and I got to choose what side I wanted. I went with the onion rings. They were very good and I really enjoyed my sandwich. Tim ordered the Cuban rice bowl, the Cuban ropa vieja. That was also very good. I think Sandy's Castle is a great place to eat. The food was very good. The resort also has wagons to put your luggage to help get it to your car. Legoland Beach Retreat is a very nice resort. It was great to have a little playground right outside our room, and the theme is so cute. Have you stayed at Legoland Beach Retreat? Like and subscribe for more content.